It is science. It is science. Okay. First question.
Hey, shh. Y'all lower it down some.
They're cars. They're cars.
Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Devin Baptiste here, representing Black Diamond FX. And tonight we will be Hold on, give me 1 second. I need to turn my camera off. I don't want y'all looking at me like that. I don't even know how to turn the camera off. I don't even know how to do it. How do I turn off this camera? Yo, shh. Keep it down. Screenshot. Bear with me for a second. Trying to figure this out. I don't know how to do it. All right, so y'all just gonna have to see my traps. You know what I'm saying? They be popping sometime. All right. But tonight we will be going over, we will be looking for trade setups. Can y'all please excuse my kids in the background, please? Because they just noisy right now. Fussing, fighting. Y'all know. I got 6 of them. I got 6, 3 boys, 3 girls. And this is like all day long. So y'all understand. All right, but check it out. So tonight we will be looking for setups using liquidity sweeps. We will be using fair value gaps and external and internal range liquidity. All right. So check it out. Hey, I need y'all to hush, please. I gotta keep reminding them. Ma'am, I need you to do what you gotta do. I am on. Y'all see what I'm saying? All right, so check this out. Let's go. Let's get it started. Forget all that. So I start on the 4-hour chart, right? Let's see. Julian, go, please. They were in the bed. And as soon as I hit record, as soon as I sit down and try to record, everybody come out the rooms. All right, so check it out. So the first thing I like to do is look and see what direction the market is moving in. All right. ES, and we in some consolidation right here. Although we are below the 50 moving average, that normally tells us that we're in a downtrend. All right. Now, if this is a downtrend, I would be looking at price perhaps coming back up, because you see we have a little shift right there. All right. I would be looking at, well, I'm not gonna say a shift, but like it was kind of respected this high over here. A failed swing. We have a failed swing, break a market structure right here. All right. Now I do see we have this fair value gap right here. So if I would take a sell on here, I would be looking for price to come up inside of here somewhere, inside this fair value gap. All right. Let's look at it on the 1 hour and see what we got. Now that's potential. Okay. So on the 1 hour, see, we can kind of refine it a little bit. Maybe bring it up into there. All right, right there, fair value gap. All right. Let's see. Can we go to the 15-minute? Let's see what the 15-minute look like. Now, y'all keep in mind, we do have NFP in the morning. All right. So anything that we find on this ES most likely will be affected. All right. Either it's going to tap it at NFP and then drop, or it's going to work its way up there and then NFP hit and then drop. But looking at this, I would say for NFP, we're going to get a nice big old spike candle up there and then it drop from there. All right. So I'll be looking at something like that. Target, I guess I can probably target these lows down here, or perhaps this low right here. All right. And this is S&P futures.
Daddy?
Yes, ma'am.
I want Circle cereal milk.
You want, sir? You want to get Circle cereal milk for breakfast in the morning, baby? It's bedtime.
But can you fix me some?
For breakfast, I will fix you some for breakfast. All right, so mark that. All right, put that risk to reward, that long short position tool on there. All right, let's see.
Daddy,
Yes, ma'am.
I want chicken.
You're gonna get food tomorrow. Chicken done. The kitchen closed, baby. The kitchen is closed for the night. It's 11:16. Dinner is over. You're gonna eat some food tomorrow. All right.
But it's not.
So now I will be looking. Let's see. This will be. Let me put the. I like to look at the money, y'all. I like to look at the money. So if we look at the money on this one, 6013.5 sell limit, 6013.5. Take profit at 5920.5, 20.5. Potential profit of $4,650. Ooh, that sounds good. That sounds real good. All right. And stop loss at 6028.5. Might be a little bigger than I want. 0.5. 750 to gain 4650. But what I actually will do is, okay, so this is what I do. Now, this is based on my entry being at 6013.5. All right. However, most of the time, price is going to go deeper into that. All right. So that stop loss actually is going to be a bit smaller. So what's going to happen is, this is what I want. This is what I like to see inside of a fair value gap. Watch this. I'm going to do a drawing. I'm going to come over here. So we got, say for instance, this is our fair value gap right here. All right. Our point of interest, because what I'm about to show you guys, I like to see it in fair value gaps, and I also like to see it inside of like order blocks. So watch this. We're going to have a candle. All right. You might have another candle. Maybe here. All right. Then, now this inside now, you're going to have a wick. All right. Hold on. Let me change this wick. I need it to be solid. I need this wick to be solid. All right. Right there. Now, this is what I like. Boom. Liquidity sweep. All right. You want to see that liquidity sweep? A lot of times you're going to see something like this. This is let's let y'all know this candle is most likely bullish. All right. With this one being bearish. All right. Then we're going to get the sweep here. Oh, all right. Get that sweep. Once we get that sweep and that candle close, we're going to drop down to a lower time frame. All right. I'm going to drop down to a lower time frame. Now, a lot of times we want to see this sweep on like the 4 hour. All right. We're going to drop down to the 15-minute or maybe even the 5. And what we want to see is the same thing. Just like we got a sweep inside of that fair value gap on the higher time frame, we're going to drop down to this lower time frame. Wait, what's going on? What happened, yo? Oh, shucks. I can't get my... I know what I'm going to do. Why I can't move my... All right. But we're going to see it. We want to see it on... All right, there we go. We want to see it just like we got it on that higher time frame. We want to see it on that. We're going to go to that lower time frame and see that sweep inside of that fair value gap. All right. And if this is bearish, we're going to expect the next candle to be bearish. All right. Perhaps create a fair value gap or an order block and then come back up to it and then take a trade going down. All right. But that's what I like to see. And that's the way that I trade. Now, once again, tomorrow is NFP Friday. All right. we can expect some big moves. So with my zone being, my entry area being up here and price being down here, we can probably expect some big old moves. All right. But we're going to wait and see. All right. And if we don't get the move we want, oh well, move on. All right. Like we about to do right now. So let's take a look at, I want to show you guys this crude oil trade that I am currently in. All right. And I'm going to show you guys. I actually saw this right here. I actually saw this right here. Order block.
Daddy,
What?
so I like to stop spilling it with my hand.
Y'all go get in bed. It's bedtime.
Who?
You go get in bed. Go bring that to your bed. Go in the bed. Yeah, go with your sister. All right. So you see how, and this is an example right here. Okay, order block, fair value gap. Okay, market is bullish. See how we came back down into it. All right, and then price went up. All right, swept that high, came back. All right. Now over here, I'm gonna show y'all what I saw. My ankle is hurting, y'all. See right here, order block, fair value gap. We got accumulation, manipulation, distribution. All right. The manipulation is the sweep. So that's something that you're going to see as well. You're going to see accumulation. A lot of times it's going to look like consolidation, but sometimes it won't. All right. Trade what you can understand. If you can understand consolidation as accumulation, then trade it. All right. Other forms of accumulation that may look a little sketchy, don't trade it. Just sit on your hands and wait till one is clear. All right. But you can see this is clear. Accumulation right here. And that's pretty much, that's how your liquidity sweeps are going to look. All right. You're going to get that accumulation. All right. Sit on your hands during accumulation. All right. While the market is accumulating, what you want to do, if the market is bullish, okay, look down and to the left. You should see an area where your manipulation is going to go to. If you do, that's your potential entry area. All right. Down and to the left. If the market is bearish, look up and to the left. All right. But you want to look to the left. The left will tell you everything that you need to know. You get all your information. All right. And just like this, if I look down and to the left, we got fair value gap. We got order block. Look where our manipulation came at. And on top of that, we had liquidity sweep down, another liquidity sweep right down here. See down there? Now, let's go to the 15. See what we got? Let's go to the 5. Look at what we're getting. See that? Sweep right here. Price came up, came down, little small gap right there. Very, 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 very small. All right. Very small. All right. And look, price came, dig into this candle right here. Is that a rejection block? Possibly. All right. Right here, rejection block. See? And look, this candle dug into it. And now, boom. Now, it could possibly come back down to here. But if so, I'm good. Look where my entry is. And look where my stop is. All right. But as you can see, I'm $420 in profit right now. All right. And my target is right up here, 75.29. And once again, my EMA, I mean, as you can see, it's just kind of wavy right now. But I use my EMA to determine the, I don't use it to determine. It's just kind of, if you're kind of shaky on, kind of questionable on the trend, when the candle's riding on top, it's an uptrend. Candle's riding on bottom, downtrend. All right. So that's just another tip for you guys. I know you guys probably know this already. All right. Let's look at something else and see what we got. Let's look at something I'm not currently invested in. Let's look at this. Is my gold is my favorite, man. Gold is I love gold. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. All right, but let's take a look at gold. All right. So gold on the 4 hour, you got a little small. What did I see this on? I think I saw the FVG on a lower time frame. We do have a daily FVG right here. Let me erase this right quick. So we do have a daily FVG right here. Put my magnet. See between here and here. Stretch it out. All right. So we got a daily FVG right there. All right. Let's go down to the 4 and see what it looks like.
Daddy,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so hungry.
Skyler, you ate, baby. You're gonna eat in the morning. Go lay down with Isis or with mommy. All right. So, oh, look at the 1. Look at the 1. All right. So we had that FVG, but look right here. Let's make this a little. This is the FVG that I had marked earlier. All right. Before I erased it, let me mark it again. Boom, right there. All right. Now I would be looking for price to come down. All right. Give us our manipulation. Look where our open was at. Our daily open was here. All right. Now, if you guys are familiar with open, high, low, close, a lot of times that's how the market moves. All right. You get an open, especially in the bullish market, open, low. That the low would be your manipulation. Distribution goes up, create the high. Then around the end of the day, starts coming down and close. All right. Watch this. Let me show you. I'm gonna show y'all something. Let me show y'all something right quick before I continue. I'm gonna show y'all this right here. See this candle right here? Watch something. Open, low, high, close. Watch. Just watch. I'm gonna remove this drawing. Let's focus on this candle. This was yesterday's candle. Yesterday's daily candle. All right. I'm gonna mark the top. So just so we don't lose it, and I'm gonna mark the bottom. All right. Now let's go to the 15-minute chart. All right. This today so far. Look at yesterday. Open. It opened. We had a low. Created the high. Boom, boom, boom. Came down. Close. Y'all see that? Look at this. Another up candle. Open right here. Low. High. Came down. Close. Y'all see that? Another one. Open. Low. High. Close. All right. Open. Now see, this one was kind of like, All right, let's look at the daily on this one. I forgot what day that was. There's a few candles back. I think it was this candle right here. Yeah, it was this candle. All right. So we had open. Looked like we had a low, high, and close. Open. Wait, no, we had an open, high, low, close. Look like it. Let's see. This was Monday, January 6th. Looks like an open, low, open, high, low, close. Let's see. I just want to take a look at it right quick. That was it this? No, over here. Over here. Open. All right. No, this opened over here. I'm sorry. So we open, high, low, and close. See that? And that's how that went. All right. Now back to what we were talking about. I didn't mean to get a little sidetracked with you guys. All right. Let's go back to the 4. All right. So look what we having over here. Once again, erase this. Yes, ma'am.
I'm so hungry.
Scott, you ate. You're going to eat for breakfast, baby. Go lay down. You're bored, just like your brothers. All right, watch this. Let me show y'all. This was, wait. Okay, the one on FVG was right here. This is what I was looking for. This it? I think, yeah, this was it right here. All right. Now, this is a bullish market now. Bullish market. Open. It opened here. We want to see low, high, and close. All right. If this candle is going to be bullish, we want to see open, low, then create a high, and then close. So we want to see this come down to here somewhere. All right. We want to see this come down to here. All right. What I'm going to do, somewhere between here and maybe this low right here, the low of this candle. All right. Somewhere around up in there. All right. And you can see it's kind of starting to consolidate. Watch. See how it's starting to consolidate, like right up in here. It went up. We had a little uptrend, but now look at it. See how it's kind of like moving sideways. All right. So I am expecting this to come down. All right. Give us our trade from somewhere down here. All right. But I am bullish on gold. All right.
Yeah.
And we can probably hold gold for a minute. And this same thing, it might spike during yes, ma'am.
I'm not going to cut this water.
All right, give me a few more minutes and I'll put some water in there for you. Okay.
Okay.
Let's look at one more, you guys. My daughter is a bit she wants some water, but I just want to go over this with you guys. And look, y'all practice this stuff, right? Practice it. NQ, this just looks terrible. This looks like a mess. All right. But as you can see, we have been respecting these fair value gaps. All right. Not really making any decent lows, but we are respecting fair value gaps. All right. So now if you trade chart patterns, this nah, I wouldn't touch it. I would say like a pennant, maybe a pennant, but I'm not gonna touch it. All right. Let's see what YM looks like. Money. Well, wait a minute. Let's go to NQ on a 4-hour and see what we got. All right. So on a 4-hour, see, we got this big old fair value gap right here. You can probably expect price to come up into there and then give us something. All right, let me erase this. Mark out our FVG right here. All right. So we can expect something to come up in here. If this is going to be bearish, all right, see how we respected this fair value gap? Man, fair value gaps are powerful, you guys. Powerful. See that? Look, sweep right here. We got a sweep right there on a 4. Let's drop to the 1. Drop to the 1. Look, another sweep right here. All right. If this was an order block, you could have got in a trade here. You could have got in a trade right there. See that? And look at this fair value gap right here. Boom, boom. And boom. Look at that. Come on, man. Drop like a rock. Bloop. Easy peasy. Don't make me say lemon squeezy. All right. That's NQ. But that's how I trade, man. That's how I'm able to get funded and make my payouts. This is what I teach my students too. If you guys want to learn with Black Diamond FX, we go much more in depth. Just comment below or send me an email. All right, and I can help you. I definitely can help you. All right, I do one-on-one sessions. I'm not expensive like a bunch of other people. My goal is to help people learn to trade. So I don't charge a monthly fee, and my fee is not a whole lot. All right. Just wanted to let you guys know that. All right. I don't charge a monthly fee, and my fee is not a whole lot. It's not gonna break you. You don't need thousands of dollars or, Let's see what else. Let's look at, but look, fair value gap. Just to show y'all this, look, fair value gap. Hit it. See this fair value gap? Look, and even see these consecutive candles, this can be considered an order block as well. All right. Order block with a fair value gap, powerful. Powerful. All right. But this looked like it was just a little pullback anyway. So 4 hours is that's a nice, you can find some nice money on a 4-hour pullback. A pullback on the 4-hour chart. Look at this. Look what's happening. Uptrend. All right. 4 hours. I'm trying to speak proper, y'all. All right. So look, check it out. Boom. Boom. These are live charts, y'all. I'm not back testing this. This is live. I know I hear a lot of people talk about, well, this one don't trade live and that one don't trade live. And then I don't never see him hit the buy button or the sell button. And man, stop worrying about all that, what other people doing. Do what you do. It's too many of those so-called exposing trade videos, man. Focus on what you do. All right. Focus on what you're doing, and success gonna come. You know, you don't shine. Trying to take somebody else's shine it's not gonna trying to dim someone else's light. It's not gonna make your light any brighter. Trust me. Trust me on that. All right. Focus on what you're doing. If somebody else doing something different over there, let them do it. You don't worry about that. You focus on what you're doing. You focus on what your people doing. All right. I see all these exposing trader videos, and all that tells me is y'all don't have enough attention. Y'all don't have enough good quality content to show people. So now, because people like drama, let's put it out there. People love drama, right? People love mess. They love drama. So I see these traders, oh, this one is exposing
Daddy,
this one and exposing that one.
water is really cup.
All right, give me a few more minutes. I'm almost done. All right, a few more minutes. But yeah, do y'all thing. Do what you do. Focus on delivering quality content to your people, and maybe your views might get better. Like, I don't have a whole bunch of subscribers or views, but I ain't tripping because I know they're gonna come. I'm not tripping at all because I know they're gonna come. All right. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Can I have really cup with water?
Yes. I'm about to give it to you now. Yes.
Square cereal milk.
No, you cannot have square cereal milk. You gotta get square cereal milk for breakfast.
Please.
All right. Now check this out. Look.
Daddy.
Look what I'm showing the people. Look, y'all see that fair value gap right here? You see the fair value gap, guy?
Yeah, it's
You see it right there?
Yeah.
Look, we had that one. I would like to see this come a little bit deeper into that. Look, we had a fair value gap right here too. I don't think this got enough, but it might not come back to it. Not right now. All right, but look at this. See this? Oh, this is a big old gap right here. This is like a volume gap, but still treated the same way. Here. This came deep enough. Look.
Daddy.
Boom, boom. Zoop.
Daddy.
There we go. All right. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys have a good night. If you want to learn to trade with Black Diamond FX,
Daddy.
send me an email,
Daddy.
blackdiamondfx@yahoo.com, or comment below,
Daddy.
and I will talk to you guys
Daddy.
later. All right. And I hope you
Daddy.
guys have a great night. Deuces.
Daddy.